Hello everybody, my name is Untalkable Taco and welcome back to another video, but today we are going to be playing some more Roblox actually, and what I would like to try to do inside of Roblox is we could play some Build a Boat for Treasure, and I'm gonna see how far we can make it and see if we can get to the end without using any jets or planes or car pieces. So what we're going to do is build something really strong. Rule number 2 is we're not allowed to use presets either. Launch. Dude, that's screwing up my... God. This chair's gonna break here any second now. Yep. Oh, no! No! Oh, no. I was so close. Okay, so, new plan. We are going to be able to use cheat codes. Okay, not codes, but whatever. We're gonna use some secret tactics. And no, I'm not talking about the stupid flying hack with the... where is it? Oh, jeez. Okay, here it is. And no, we're not allowed to use this stupid flying hack right here. Also, I don't know really how to. Oh, never mind. Okay. So yeah, we're not using this. Nope. Delete it. What we're going to try to do is we're going to try to build some kind of flying boat without using that piece. Now, I don't know how we're going to do that, but I know it's possible because I've done it before. Okay, so we built our flying machine. Now, oh no. Oh, I forgot how powerful this thing is. Oh goodness. I think I broke the game. Oh no, turn it off. Turn it off! So yeah, this is what happens whenever you build this. Okay. We're back and I'm going to respawn it. We just went absolutely flying. That was hilarious. Like, I don't even know how that happened. That's funny. So, if I just click off of all this, now we can run our way over here and try to use this the right way. The reason why that happened is because we were facing inwards instead of outwards. But there's no real way to place it on console. By not facing outwards. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, we did it. We actually placed it right. I don't know how, but we did. Okay. Yes, now we can touch this. Oh no, wait, why does that keep happening? It's not a flame device. No! Oh no. Oh my, we're on the final stage, boys and girls. Come on. Don't die. We're on the final stage. We got this. We have this in the bag. Ooh, maybe not. Ooh. No, don't put me first. No. Oh goodness, it almost broke my chair. I'm standing up here. I'm standing on top. It flipped! Oh, I almost just died. That took me down to half health. Come on, tiny sliver of boat. Come on. No! I fell off the boat! No! Dude! Oh, that boat would have won. It would have won if I wouldn't have fell off. Darn it. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video there. We got really close 2 times, and, well, that's good enough for me. I have beat it, but we could have used, like, any sort of flying machine, but my first attempt on the flying machine just flung you. So, if you'd like to see more Build-A-Boat content or Roblox content, make sure to leave a comment down below and smash that like button. Also, YouTube says that 99% of people hit it with their index finger. Try to prove them wrong and hit it with any other finger on your hand. Stay tuned for next time, and peace.